Hey guys, we're in mcmtr again, but this time in Bedrock Edition. So, yep, really long train. Oh wait, 2 minutes. I guess I'm gonna have to fade because we're doing a two train rides. One on the East Rail line and one on this line that we're taking. This is Kwun Station, as you can see right there. So yeah, I'm gonna probably do that. So, anyways, let's do a fade. A fade later, and our train is here. So, yep, doing 2 train rides on the one on the East Rail line, and one on this line that we're already taking. So yeah, this is Kowloon Bay. This is Kowloon Bay Station. Next stop is Choi Hung. Next station is Choi Hung. And oh, this is the light blue ones train line. How come this server's weird? Next station is Diamond Hill. We're not changing to the Chun Ma line. And we're going to be transferring to the East Rail line at Kowloon Tong Station. Next station, Look Fu. Next station, Kowloon Tong. Introduction change stations for the East Rail line. Alright, getting off here. Transferring to the East Rail line. Here. I think I want to go to Look Ma Chau slash Lo Wu. We're gonna go to Pho Tan Station. I'm gonna pay attention to the time in case it goes fast. In case it skips a few minutes. Yeah. And our East Rail line train is here. Guess I'm sitting right here. Next station, Tai Wai, interchange station for the Tun Ma line. That's what we saw earlier on the Kwun Tong line. Clear lag. What did Archie do? Fart? Next station, Shatin. This train is going to Chau via Votan. Please change trains at Shatin for the others. Shatin for the other station for Votan / race course. Next station, Votan. I think I'm gonna get off at the next stop, actually, since this gives me enough time. Maybe go to the last stop. Next station, University. Oh, I think I forgot we had this from the the last one, where we have to wait for the other one train that was heading to a race course or Shatin. Wait, I think I'm gonna actually go to the last stop. I can't remember what the train was going headed to. Next station, Typo Market. Doors will open on the right. Yeah, next station, Typo Market, sorry. Does my voice sound a little different? Because I think it was a little bit weird with my voice. Maybe it's because I'm getting hiccups, I think. I'm not sure. Let me know if I was getting hiccups in the comments below. Yeah, please do it. Next station, Taiwo. Hopefully I can I'm gonna have to fade. Hold on. Oh, I think I'm just gonna fade again. A fade later, and we're almost at Chau station. What? Yeah, we are almost at Chau station. Yeah. Almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there, almost there. Yeah, please subscribe to YouTube channel Dr. $1. It's totally free, and you can guarantee more videos like this. And so, hold on, stop the train, stop. More videos like this one. And yep. Hey, yeah, please do that. And yep. Bye everybody.